Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can get the Rooted Geodes in Abyss Roblox. So the Rooted Geodes are the ultimate prize for any miner or fisher diver in Abyss. And here I'm going to show you how you can get it. So first, to get it, you need to go to the spirit route. So I've already here, and after that you can just go out to start caught some creatures or fish inside the spirit roots. And usually when you catch it, there will be a treasure chest on it. Okay, let's try to catch this one. Okay, there's no here. Let's try to find another one. So you can just catch some fish in here until you see the treasure chest like this. Make sure that you get both the fish and also the treasure chest, and usually it will also come with the rooted geodes if you're lucky. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also click on the thanks. And I'll see you on the next tutorial. Bye.